Hello hair heroes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, subscribe and join the family. In today's video, I'll be sharing a super simple and effective DIY hair treatment using two ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen: rosemary and onion peels. These ingredients are packed with nutrients that boost hair growth, add shine, and improve scalp health. If you are looking for a natural way to revitalize your hair, keep watching. Without further ado, let's get into the preparation method. In this preparation, we'll be needing water, rosemary, and then our almighty onion peels. We'll first of all wash our onion peel very well. In this video, I wash it 2 times to take away all the dirt. Then add it to our water on fire, which is already steaming. We add 1 tablespoon of rosemary to the onion peels on fire. We stir for some time and let it boil. Let's talk about the benefits of rosemary for our hair. Research shows that rosemary is powerful in improving blood circulation on the scalp, helps provide more nutrients to your hair follicles, stimulating growth and strengthening your hair roots. It also provides nutrients and oxygen to the hair. It increases a healthier environment for hair growth due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. After the ingredients have boiled for about 5 minutes, we take it off the fire and let it cool down completely. After it has cooled down, we will then sieve it and then we'll get our hairspray. This one, we are pouring it into our spray bottle. I realized I was messing the whole place with this bowl, so I changed the bowl to a different bowl, which will make the transferring it into the spray bottle very easy for me. Let's move to the often discarded onion peels, which are also essential for hair growth. If you are a fan of throwing away your onion peels, put a stop to it now, because onion peels are packed with sulfur, which is an essential mineral for hair growth. It helps strengthen hair follicles, reduce breakage, and promote collagen production, which is important for hair structure and elasticity. With the onion peels, it also works effectively as the onion itself. If you don't use onion juice because of its smell, then this spray is for you. Use the onion peel to replace the onion juice. It doesn't have any awful smell at all, even if you don't add any essential oils or perfume. It does work so well as the onion juice. I then added a few drops of tea tree essential oils to the spray. Let's go out to how it is used. In this video, I'm using it as a remoisturizing treatment to my daughter's hair. I apply the spray all over the roots of the hair and then the scalp. I massage it in very well, and then I apply my aloe vera oil to the hair, to the scalp, and then the roots of the hair, and massage it very well. And that ends our moisturizing routine in our protective hairstyle, African threading hairstyle. You can also use this spray as a last rinse after shampooing or deep conditioning. You can also use it as a pre-pro treatment. That is, you apply it to your hair, cover it for about 15 minutes, take the cover off, and then wash your hair with your regular shampoo, which works very well. You can add this hairspray to your herbs for deep conditioning the hair, or you can add it to your regular conditioner and then use it to deep condition your hair. Keep this spray in the fridge for 5 days and then discard it and do another one if it is not finished, so that you can keep the potency. If you have watched the video till now, thanks so much, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Give us a thumbs up and share the video. Thanks. Bye bye.